Next airdrop we're going to do is oryx token. We're going to click on the Telegram bot. This should be in the description below the video, or it will be on our website. Click on Airdrop bot. Open on Telegram desktop. Hit start. Hit continue. We're going to hit 65. It's going to give you this to make sure you're not a bot coming in. And here we go. First thing it's going to ask you to do is join Telegram group. So we're going to join that group. We're going to go back to the bot. We're going to go back up here to join Telegram channel. We're going to join that channel. We're going to go back to the bot. And then we're going to go up to official Twitter page just to follow on that page. Give it a quick follow. Get rid of that now. Now it says submit Ethereum wallet should be confirmed, so we're going to go place all that in down below. We're going to go hit done. That's going to join the advertisers channel as well. We're already on that, so you join that one. Go back to the bot here, hit done. Follow on Twitter, retweet, pin post. So we're going to go back up to the Twitter, pop that up, open. So it's asking you to retweet their pin post that they have on here. Just give it a quick like, retweet pin post, retweet. Then you're going to copy and paste your Twitter into there. Enter your email. So you're going to copy and paste your email into here. Then next, it's asking for your Ethereum wallet. Just paste that into there. And there's your referral link. You can check out your balance. Shows you got 500 tokens. It's going to go straight to your Ethereum wallet. This was a very quick airdrop. This one's worth 25 bucks. Please like and subscribe below. We got a lot of airdrops coming up. And that's the end of this airdrop.